I present to you Funful, the comedian. Ladies and gentlemen, we outside. My life is a joke. Can I get you up on a seat tonight?
Thank you very much. Please, a round of applause for yourselves. Yeah. So, how many of you love my outfit? Huh? Not like her? Yeah, so it was made by the Sam signature. Where? The Sam. Where? Yeah, thank you. It's okay, your advert not finish. Sit down, please. The guy just called me and said, I want to do show. Say, Funful, don't worry. I'll take care of your dress. Say, really? Say, yes. I say, for free. He say, you don't pay anything. I think it's a joke, until he say, I come measure. I measure. I said, they go, I say, for free. He say, yes. I said, Richard, now the guy just called me. He say, if you borrow 100K. What I go do? Nobody wants so free club for me. Now I said the guy 100K. From that time till now, they beg and me give my money. Now this money, he say, Adam, me know how much he take buy material for me. Yeah. So I titled this year's show, My Life is a Joke. Based on what I call the experience, especially as I do the gain recognition, small. At least if I go out now, especially for Benin, I almost see like 2 persons who know me. So I did very egotistic when I do with my friends. I say, you know, see, I be star. Now, my problem is that my fans different from the way it's supposed to be normally. If you go abroad, you see the likes of Trevor Noah, Kevin Hart, Dion Cole. These are celebrity comedians abroad. Once fans see them, what you know, oh my God, I love your comedy so much. Oh my days, my boyfriend is a huge fan. Please, let's take a picture. Good, sweet. To be celebrity, or they hungry you. Come down to Nigeria. If you see our legend, Basket, Bovey, I go there, anywhere. If you see these people, now so fans go make them basket mouth. I love your music, I love your movie, I love your comedy. Oh my days, let's take a picture. Good. I also do have fans, but my own different. Once they see me, go be like say they cash thief. No, this guy be fun. They not always they know the name. I mean, go say Funful. Go say, Go call look a guy. This guy funny. Na bastard. As I look at, you go call it a friend. Not look and say quiet like that too. If you open my now, rubbish, they come outside. But first of all, you not get to me. Because now so guys, they greet each other. You know understand? Guys, they cost themselves until I call they get female fans. As an upcoming year, if you see any girl, you tell you say you are doing when I lie. I had to come outside for ShopRite. Now I see 2 girls, they all stand there, they look me, look at the guy. Now me all walk up to them, hello, say Funful, can I hug you? I say, sure. Now they hug me. Say, we love your jokes, especially the one you talked about, blood donation. Now I complete the joke. I say, okay, that one I said, I donate blood for a living also. They say, yes. After we don't talk, finish. And I say, all right, I want to go now. They say, sorry, pictures. I say, yeah, let's take pictures. I said, yeah. They say, no, snap us. I'm sure we say, man, snap now. They say they don't stand for them for long. So as they all see me now, God bring me come. Guess now, great to. I got this in 1 or 2 pictures that they talk. That day I snap a total picture of 3,420. They say delete 3,400. They say I never sabi snap. But for real, for Nigerians who know they treat upcoming right. I got one guy from my area and I felt musician. The guy sing. Nobody listen to his song. Now he verse enter comedy. Crack joke. Nobody laugh. Now he verse enter dance. He start to dance. Now nobody clap for her. Now last week the guy died because he comment session. Oh God, why did you take such a star? So this guy na star since when I not tell her. The guy for spiritual will be like, fuck, man, has come. But one good thing about upcoming, now if you be musician, any upcoming musician, yeah, just they happy because one day you blow. And once you blow, you forget all your sorrows. This year, I want to bring musical arts now. Last year, I not bring. So I said I must bring star arts this year. Now I call they gather money, they come. This year, reach as I flag up, now I meet one of my guys and they book musical artists. Now I say, I want to book any trendy musician. Now I say, which of them? I say, any of the Pluto family, either Charlie Poppy, Zeridiel, or Pluto. Say, no, man, I don't think of Charlie Poppy. That one cost. May I go for the small one, Pluto. The one we sing, Naskra, carry the money, hold on, free ticket. That's okay, put me through. Now they put me through to the guy. Now I call the guy. Hello, I get event on the 29th. How much? The guy say 50 million. I don't know why they tell him, say, come, not be you be last born. Say, now I be last born at 50 million. Now I provoke. Call my guy back. Put me through to Charlie Poppy now. He said, no, you always go for the small one. I said, but why not be small matter there, grand? Put me through to Charlie Poppy. I said, put me through to her. And I said, call Charlie Poppy as he pick. Now I said, come, you wonder your small brother. Oh. If you continue like this, you go thief. I get 50 million before I do the show. 50 live band all day. But they play different music the same time. Also. And the worst part about being an upcoming, I tell an upcoming because they give me joy. Say, now your cause supports me. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah. Now, let's see the use of this bag. Gracias. Yeah. I say, one thing about this upcoming, now the worst part when it happen to you, I say you call famous and you broke. The one when it happen to me now, let's say I never too reach that level, but you famous, you broke. One guy that they call me for event now, since January this year, say, Funful, I want you in my event. They beg me for 1 million, I don't agree. I say, call my management. The guy, they beg me for 1 million. I say, call my management. Because I know if you call my management, we'll increase out to 2 million. The guy, they beg me, I don't agree. Now last week, the guy jammed me inside bus. He shocked. As he see me, he said, Funful. Now so you rich. I said, now so. He said, where your management? I said, that they ask. You know, say, as we did inside that motor, they go, this guy, what they do? Nah, wow. People wicked, though. You know, say, when we reach traffic light, this guy still back 2 gala, give me one, take one. As the guy come down, he pay transport, pay my own, now he go. As I reach out on my phone, first message when I send you, say, send me your management number. Now I send out. After 2 minutes, now my manager come in. Say, person, you call and say, Ogu must kill me. I swear. Hold on. That's my brother. That's K Concept Studios. You know, understand? Yeah. Are you going? The guy said motto yesterday. Yeah. I say one thing about this entertainment. I like us now, they support us. The work no easy. Malga, how many of them know Malga? Senator now. Without they come from event one night. Senator day, now they drive, midday front seat. King Successor day back. They sing. Prophetic on Noah. When they host, he day back. One magician, our guy, simply smart, he day back. As we go for night, now we reach police checkpoint. Now police say, park! Where are you coming from? We say, show. They say, now we they use show till they commit crime. Come down. Now we come down. Now they call the first guy, King Successor. The guy, they sing. They say, what you go do for show? He say, I'm a musician. They say, sing for us. Now the guy sing, true, he get voice. Now police say, good, stay this side. Now they call another one. That one, simply smart, the magician. They say, come. What do you go do for a show? He say, I'm a magician. Do magic for us. Now the guy carry paper, pull letter, turn to money. They say, wow, you really go show. Stay this side. Now, we now have 3 comedians. Deep down in my heart, I know say you don't get what I want to tell who go make her laugh. I dey fear. I call the other pray. Now the first person when they all point at prophetic. That guy you come out, you know I take the bold. Guy come out. That's what you go do. You say na comedian. They say me a crack joke. Now the guy your first start. My name is the prophetic, the comic gangatwan. They call me the Yuma Connoisseur, the oratory blog, the Dejan. The Lula Palooza, the guy speak English finish. And I say, yeah. Do you know if I cut off your left hand, your right hand will be left? As he talk and DPO, they look at. DPO say, na the joke, he say, yes. They say, put on for van. Now, so they put PhD for van. Because they van, they co. Now, me and my Oga, I don't fear. Before you know that they choose my Oga, I was happy. My Oga don't do comedy for more than 2 decades, so he must make these people laugh. And if he make them laugh, it go easy for me. My Oga, your command. They say what you go do. Senator say in a dancer. Senator, you? Okay, what be your name? Senator say your name is Senator the Barbie. Baba don't be small cut. DPO say the guys are bit dance. Hey, now remember me, sharp guy. Now they come in, so it's how they do. I say na me be audience, so na me they watch all of them. I say since I start this comedy, never to tell, but you not get where I never go. They don't come in for Deaf and Dumb party before now. We are shocked. The MC and I see Deaf and Dumb. They introduce me, I don't know. They say, now that will be let's make welcome. That's comedian Funful. Now one guy for back, they say, go now when ovation don't high. As I reach stage, I crack joke. 1 hour, nobody laugh. As I come down, one guy they tell me, say, bro, you kid it there. Everyone is talking about you. When? Yeah. So let's start the show properly. They tell people the worst thing that can ever happen to you, apart from being a Nigerian, and to be a poor Nigerian. Poverty, bado. Poverty and see finish na 5 and 6. Which day here now one Tazima Jamwa boy. They start to beat the Tazima. They say they drive roughly. How will you drive? They're making call you're driving. They will arrest the Tazima. He pay for damages before they release him. Fine. And for Lagos cyber truck Jamwa boy. Mistake when the boy do. And I say you not die. It felt like that everywhere quiet. As he stand up, you want to scratch the car? See beating. You want to put the bomber? We are shocked. Now one woman say, now so that they scratch people, car they go. And one thing I have known about poverty. Poverty not really bad though. Now we humans make poverty look bad. Because whether you like it or not, it's either you came from a rich home or from a poor home, but you were born poor, you not get anything. Now, we Nigerians make we humans rather. I searched online, top 10 richest men in Nigeria. I see them. Let's see how they see. Aliko Dangote, Rabi Abdul Salam, that man will get Boaz Smith. Hotel Dollar, you don't understand? My Kadenuga, I see all of them. And whether you like it or not, those people are inspiration to all of us. Many people, when they are not, don't swear, say before they die, they must be one of that list, first to 10. You don't understand? Good, fine, no problem. Now I say, top 10 poorest men in Nigeria, in our show. According to Forbes, we do not record poverty in our show. That's the problem. Because if person now don't they say for the next 20 years, in one struggle, become top 10 richest, 19 years, he don't struggle, he never near. What he go do? He go start to thief. He go start to do everything just to meet the target. But imagine say, top 10 poorest, see there on the list. You don't suffer 19 years, you don't feel rich. Only you want to say, since I cannot get to the top 10 poorest, maybe I can get to the top 10 You don't understand? So that kind of time now, the person now of course sell everything we get, borrow join to become top 10 poorest now. You call famous. They call the carry you go interview. Not collect money. Oh. If you collect money, your name will come up for the list. Now argument will change. Normal argument when they see for road now. Rabiu reach past Dangote. Person will get refinery. They do smith. As they argue down another set, they go say, Malik poor pass Osabo. You know Bill Sabo. So no they work for afternoon. Oh pay the final. Pam pay the final. Government the final. It go balance. But talking from a poor state, I don't tell myself, say, I'll fit get rich friends, but I don't fit their circle. One guy you call me, my guy, he say, Funful, I want to enjoy you. Come, I want to enjoy. I say, I don't get money. He say, no worry, come. We go outside, we eat, we drink. Total money we'll spend that day, 1.2 million. He reach time to pay. This guy phone off. Cause we had the fan power bank. I begin the fair power bank. Devil, when God go punish, I see power bank. I don't see type C. The guy want to talk now. He say, Funful, behave mature. Just pay this thing. When I charge my phone, yeah, he did. Another guy went here and say, he not really too old. But you get 1 million for you pay. May you put the 1 million. May I put 200 on top. On top, on down, he not there. Now why they look all this motivational speaker? Once you don't they get money now, motivational speaker, they will come. They'll say, as you don't they get money now, change your circle. No, change you. You can't come over your poor circle, go rich circle. Do you know the comfort in poor circle? If you did rich circle now, say person you want marry. What you see, I should be 650,000. When I never pay that one finish, another person, mama or dad, 1 million. When I they pay. Poor circle not be like that. You just see person, your woman, your friend who. You say, you go say, na your wife. Oh, when be the marriage? You say, your family just say, my fair carry first. Free. Now, as you look me like this now, I settle down, search my circle. For my circle now, I go down for my contact list. The poorest, now they down. God, I take set down. I settle down, search them. Out of all my circle now maybe the richest. Not clap. Some people say, if you are the richest in your circle will beg you for money on WhatsApp. Your circle get data. Una dey stay extravagant circle. As I dey here now for my circle, now only more I get smartphone, the rest now handset. One guy for my circle now, the guy your pick. I don't know where he see money. He say one change circle. Say not belong to our class anymore. We begin the beg, no change circle. Carry us along. He say no, you want change. The guy come up for all the circle for Benin. Say now Abuja and want go join circle. See Aso Rock for you. See circle when you join. As he joined the circle today for night around 12, now they send message for WhatsApp group. They say they want to go on top. The thing not pay now. We are shocked now when person say we want to use a Lokota convoy. As it's here, now somebody say we cannot use a Lokota convoy. That person never talk finish. Then they say yes. What's the meaning of that? We can't use a Lokota convoy. That person say for we to use a Lokota convoy, why not we use submarine convoy? This one at 2 o'clock for night, 2:01. Now this guy call me. Hello, did they see submarine convoy? I say come home. But all thanks to my parents, they not come yet. So then, I came from a very poor home. But I reached 18 before I know so we poor. Because my mama not let us know so we poor. A very positive person. That time I was small. They drive me and my siblings for school one day now. They say, "Mo not come school the next day for not pay school fees." As we reach house, I enter parlor. I say, "Daddy, mommy, they drive us for school fees. They say for not pay, mo not come tomorrow." My papa quiet, he not get. Now my mama say, everywhere is sweet this period. Money for one. So now no go school tomorrow. I say, mommy, if money for one, we'll go school tomorrow. He say, shut up, money for one, me say money not there. That's okay, we not get. He say we get. If we get more pay. So I don't want you say anything I say we get for this, I mean say we not get. I even don't say they beat us. Now our enemy they cause. Your enemy foolish. I go kill your enemy today. Your enemy go die. Your enemy, you understand? Now so they live the life until one day. Mama apparently he borrowed money from somebody. So the person who land for us said the way he rapper they say, you must pay me my money today. You must pay me my money today. At the palo. At the hear mama they say, I don't get money. I don't get money. I don't get money. It was unusual. Mama never thought say not get money before. I can't say mama the mistake. Now I don't come and say, mama, everywhere sweet this period. Money for hand. Everywhere sweet this period. Money for hand. Mama usually look me. My picking not be time for that one be this. Money for hand. As that woman here. Now that woman say, okay, mama they lie. Then say, okay, if you be your picking now. I don't know say they lie. Now he hold mama the more with anger. Mama pour herself start to pursue me. Say, Osago, I'll kill you today. Osago, I'll kill you today. Now look at mommy, my enemy go die. Say, no worry, I catch you. He pay me say mama not come here. I know say he go there conversant with everybody. One will small like this before we sleep. Poverty, poor homes. Don't want all of us. Don't eat in the dream. We eat for real life. Don't eat in the dream. You don't understand? And if you eat, come and tell us. If you go tell them, they'll beat you so you carry your bad character, go spiritual world. One day now all they sleep. I see say mama wash and they draw me they eat for dream. I see now I wake up. Now I don't go my mommy room. My daddy they sleep. As mama see me say, shh, not tell your father. Yeah. So normally, growing up, I wanted to be a medical doctor. You know, understand? I wanted to read medicine. Now, not because I like medicine. You know how parents say they stereotype their children based on what they do. When I'm young, I they take drug. I feel you're there, you're take drug. My mom, you look at me. Doctor. You understand? One guy from my area, when he's small, they like to play with wire. The papa called it, he's picking an electrical engineer. That guy is the most wanted person in our area. Once NEPA sees like this guy don't thief wire for transformer. All those stereotyping, parents. All these nursing mothers now, some, they'll all get picking. 2 months old, though, he go there back. He go there back and say, Mama, good afternoon, ma, good afternoon. Baby, good afternoon. How are you? He say, fine. When? That's all he all be. So I wanted to be a medical doctor like that. So until I realized, say, the health sector for this country not really too balanced. You know, understand? If you have 100 doctors in training, 71 go abroad. The earth, waiting that they give earth for this country is small. One hospital from my area, they don't rush person, go there, the person will don't collapse. As they reach reception, no say me sit down for chair. They say, no, bring stretcher our bed. He say, now only one bed there. Doctor, they sleep for the bed. I don't go visit one of my guys where they do IT for hospital. As I go meet her, we all day. Now I say, may I go the IC unit. Now I look window, I see 2 doctors, they operate person. As they operate, before you know, now I say, shit. The other one say, what happened? Say, I don't make mistake when I make last week. Say, which mistake? Say, I mistakenly cut the small intestine. We are shocked now when the other one say, thank God, say not be the big one. And now why I go continue to advise everybody, I'll say, never you go to a hospital that has a mortuary. Never. They don't almost kill you. Is that right? If you don't tell me, say you know where, you say you go hospital. Which hospital? You tell me. If you tell me, say you get mortuary, I'll say no go. You need to see how they do their meeting. The CEO, your come, with all the doctors and the nurses. You say, all right, so how many patients did we add this week? Secretary say, oh, we had a total of 40 patients. Say, all right. How many we admitted? Say, 25. Oh, that means 15 came and left the same day. Say, yes. Okay. How many has been discharged? Secretary say, everybody. CEO shock. Yeah. Nobody. Everybody survived. He said yes. As he said, you're the shock. Before you know it, one nurse just say, but they rushed in one patient this morning who was almost dead. He was involved in a ghastly accident. We are struggling for his life. But we want to thank God for the intervention of Dr. Lawal. He was able to restore him back to life. Dr. Lawal, he intervened for my business. Okay, now when you don't intervene, what do you want to make God do? Before you know it, you go look person. Okay. The patient, they don't pay. Say they don't pay half. Remove her. They don't unplug that patient. Now so you go. Now that one call brings me to the difference between Oyibo doctors and Nigerian doctors. For Oyibo doctor, now I don't see where doctor they cry. They say what happen? Person die. He not relate to the person. Say enough he save your life. That's passion. For UBTH, now they nearly kill one doctor. They rush patient, go hospital. Person will almost there, doctor not there around. Then they call doctor, he say they come. 2 hours. Now the doctor come, run enter theater. After 2 minutes, now he come outside. Now he say, we are sorry. Everybody they look at. We tried our best. You will come, na. See beating. They beat that guy, they rush him back into that theater. Thank God for the intervention of Dr. Lawal. Even as I dey talk say doctors won't dey their body, patients will see their body. Patients when they rush to hospital, they almost die. They give them blood, they treat her everything. All doctors leave other patients, focus on this guy in an emergency. The guy called survive, wake up. They discharge him. Now don't say that bastard thief doctor phone. Wait he pay me. One patient wey in here, I thief him money. But the worst one where they pay me in a psychiatric hospital. For a country as Nigeria, with over 20 million mad people, we only have 9 federal psychiatric hospitals, with maybe other private hospitals. Now, for this 20 million, now only 1 million spread across this hospital, leaving the country with 90 million mad people. Out of that 90 million, 4 million they sell at church, then they pray for them. Leaving the country with 15 million. Out of this 15 million, 10 million spread across the nation, with Lagos occupying 7 million. For this 7 million for Lagos, 5 million for inside the wear suit. Their job is to give you wrong direction. Which they have for Sapler Road bypass. I see one guy, you come meet me. Say they go Aja. I say, yeah, na Bini, why you tell share? He said, be there, Ekpel. The person go, the person may they go down. Now, we now have 5 million mad people left. Now, for these 5 million, 2 million, no, they agree, say they demand. They did TikTok. Now, they do like this. We now have 3 million. These 3 million are here problem day. These ones, they wear suit. They wear agbada. They get power. They get connection. They get money. They rule. For security reasons, safety reasons, I will end that day. Tomorrow, if you don't think, you know what they try to talk. So that after show, I not do after party for inside jail.
It think na statistical will go job.
So, because of this, I gave up on my medical career and I decided to go into acting, Nollywood, because I sabi art. They do different auditions. Now they pick me for one drama for Asaba. So, as I reach there, I see Nollywood stars all over the whole day. And they happy. You know, understand? But the major character na one girl, she not there around. We wait for that girl from around 10 to around 3, she not come. For 30 minutes, I always have to say, director, they look me. Get where they look me, now I say, do like this. I do like that. He say, do like this. I do like that. Now I say, costume, wear that guy's skirt. Yeah. Now they wear me skirt too. The name of the drama na The House Girl. Now, so I tell you The House Girl season 1 to season 6. I felt it saying a joke until they show me the script. As they show me the script, apparently that house girl, he or God, they sleep with her every night. And Nana, that organ when they tell her this film, na bastard. The guy go come every night, he go they touch me. Director say, make it real. This guy, he kissed me the first day. He kissed me the second day. The third day, I said, I cannot do this anymore. As the guy they come, director say, make it real. As the one near me, my skirt your raise. As my skirt raise, the guy shocked. Yeah? Director, tell this guy now. That director say, Funful, what's that? I say, my mouth. What's he doing up? I say, I want to learn and no say I be man. Mona take it easy. Director say, okay, we are sorry. Bring it down. I say, prick the con down. Well, wait to. Now, why if you watch that movie, season 1 to season 6, season 4 blank, that time erased. But for some reasons, I was happy that movie never came out. You don't understand? Because of typecasting. Typecasting, and when they give you the role when you take blow. Say, I blow for that movie now. But that director also called they use me the hard boy when you resemble girl. Before form movie, I don't turn Bobrisky. But we have some good typecasting though. Yes, like Timini. They don't typecast that guy for love movies. So any movie that guy at, he must kiss. Sweet typecasting. You not like that typecasting. But I got one of my guys when they Nollywood. When they KG to now the typecasting. From that time to now they are wish. Even though say movie when not concern wish, now politics. If director just see the man pass, go say, Abi may wish press governor. That draws me to the difference between Oyibo movies too and Nigerian movies. Oyibo movies, that they know the end even from the beginning. Nigerian movies, we only know the beginning. Sometimes we don't even know the beginning. Yes. Like abroad movies now, like Harry Potter. They acted that movie for 10 years, 2001 to 2011. So they don't already know the ending. We watch that guy, Harry Potter, grew on screen. We watch him. Fast and Furious since 2001, now that they act and they go, they don't already know. Nigerian movies not be like that. They'll just act part 1. That's the only intention. Before you know it, it blow. People like her. Everybody like her. All of them, you all gather. We'll do part 2. As they talk, another one say, no, after that now, your wife died, your mama died, your children died, everybody died. I don't want to do one. The other one say, part 1, I dream. Now be Nollywood though. Yes. So, you don't get what I not do. I can't come up for Nollywood. The only thing I know say I not do and I not ever do na betting. Even though say betting start for Bible. Yes. You know read Job's story. Devil your day around the room. Now God your collar. Come on. You don't say my servant Job. That guy not fit deny me. Now devil say most take him. Now I say yes. Now they better. Thank God. Job. You know that's how God bet enter. Now why they look many of you now. As we there now, God bet for our head. He don't see the end deal, but he just see the one. He said, this girl will preach the gospel. This girl will bring people to my kingdom. You come here now, you they do hook up. So you get me, I caught God bet. Even for Bible now, Abraham did 99 years old. His wife did 89, they never born. Now one day, Abraham see 3 strangers. He don't know say they be angels. Now he carry the entire house. Cook food for them, they chop. They be angels. So now one say, by this time next year, you give birth to his son. Sarah, your day back to your boss laugh. This game go cut. And this party bet what they talk so now. They get anger issues pass you. They not like good thing. You got one guy from my area and when God you're blessed with prediction. The guy use 100 naira and win 2 million. First day. Second day, use 15 naira and win 8 million. Third day, now he play 10 naira to win 1 billion. Before you know, now they call him. As he pick, hello. First way here now your papa get the app. You know say they send a lawsuit for money laundering. But I don't tell myself the only time I will bet now when they put politics inside sporting bet or Nigeria things. Just say Tinubu to borrow money before the end of this year. I'll bet her. Sure odd. Article to come out 2031 for election. He go enter. Too sure odd. This country don't tire me. We not even the beg government for too much. Just security. The insecurity rate don't too high. December last year, one guy went there for the Christmas. I don't know, he go see work for village. Now he go there, they dance, so they had for the Christmas. Full and yes, may come pack and everybody. For inside bush. Now full and yes, may your series is in a festive period. Let's celebrate. They look everybody now, only one wear red. Now they say may start to dance. And you know, say full and need party different from our own. This man, if it will take 5 hours, I don't close. Full and need party, if they quick close, 4 days. This guy, they dance 4 days. Now the 4th day, now the guy say, because of time, let's end it here. You know, say they release everybody, they not release that guy. They say they want to use him for Salah. No! The insecurity rate don't high. They kidnap person when want to go pay ransom. As the new kidnapper, he say your money, say, you carry ransom along? Say no, if you want to go pay ransom for person. So you want to carry our money wrong? No jokes. For this Nigeria, now bandits, they go on live. TikTok. They not fit cash them. That kind of thing not fit happen for developed world. Pablo Escobar in the early 1990s and in the 80s and early 1990s, that guy was the most wanted person or one of the most wanted person ever. He was involved in drug trafficking, murder and assassination, bombing and terrorism, just as he did to Aviaca Flight 203 in 1989, which led to the death of 107 persons. This guy said, a notebook. Prophetic not know something reach me. Now, so that guy, he was also involved in kidnapping, bribing, and corruption. You know, they take cash on. The U.S. intelligence had to liaise with the Colombia forces. They cash on. He was on a phone call with his family for too long. That's to tell you, say, if they find you for America, if you on your phone, they'll cash you. If you on your TV, they'll cash you. If you even want shower, they'll cash you. If you deal with your babe turn you on, they'll cash you. Not be Nigeria now. Bandit day on life. DPO mistakenly send her rose. What do we do here now? Kai, thank you, Zazipio, Zobris. Insecurity. That's why they tell people, as all of us dey here now, both the rich, both the poor, more points together. This kidnapping when they talk, even happen for Easter. For our church, for village. You know that representation of the death and resurrection, they beat the guy, they go for road. They don't reach the up now. Now they hang up for cross. They just hang up, thank you very much, manager has. Thank you, gracias. Now he teach me photography 2022, but thank God I don't know that work. They carry the guy reach gun gutter. They don't hang out. For in an full and esme bossa, pastor members, everybody wrong. See Jesus, see full and esme. They don't know. After some time, now pastor and the members come back. They don't see Jesus for cross. The woman of the boy, they say, when am I picking? They say, be like, say, don't ascend. Now, why would they say, both the poor or both the rich, everybody points together? I don't say the rich, they say, they don't use road now. They don't use road now, convoy, now flight that they use. The rich, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Full and yes, they don't come up for bush, they're this guy now.
Okay, it's a lie.
Poor man, you never go sky. Wait, see, may I explain? The way full and yes, they had for bush, they jump, come on. Now, so they tell they do for Bonner Cloud. For my present, I look at the robber who played for up yesterday. They throw the pilots congrats. Now he tell us everything. But always say, we Nigerians, to help each other see the adults. For our church, since when pastors start to share bag of rice for widows, based on say country don't have, widows you can increase. Widows you call full church every day. Now last week Sunday, that pastor say, if you are a widow, come outside. See people, they come outside. Men husband shock. For another one woman, you raise up your hand. He say, your husband traveled since last month. She am a widow. Pastor say, you not be widow. He say, what if my husband not come back? Your husband will come back. Yeah. So, because of time, he get one I want to do before I leave. You know, understand? Because this video will come outside for YouTube, and I want maybe like star. I watch one Bobby special. After he don't do finish, people don't clap. You know what he do? Now he drop the mic. So I can't tell my sound engineer. He said, this mic cost to. So if I want to come out, I'll use one like this.